Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this Searchl waterproof couch cushion cover. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're gonna put it on and I'll show you what it looks like. This couch cushion cover is made of a blend of 92% polyester and 8% spandex, which gives it a good stretchiness so it's easy for me to be able to put it onto my cushion. The material is also soft and it doesn't wrinkle, which makes it comfortable and long-lasting as we use it to protect our couch. These covers come in several different sizes and colors, so you'll want to make sure to properly measure everything so that it fits what you need. The one I have here is the small one-seater size and it's the brown color. Also keep in mind that this is the cover only and it doesn't come with the couch cushions, so when you get this will be the cover that you will use on the couch cushions that you already have. It is very easy to put on. Because it is so stretchy, all we have to do is position it onto our cushion and pull the sides until it covers the entire cushion. One of my favorite features is the elastic strap that is at the bottom, and it comes with a unique splicing buckle which helps me attach it onto the cushion and keep it in place so it doesn't slip off while we're sitting or if the kids are jumping on the couch or anything like that. Another feature I really like about this is that it is waterproof. I even tried it out. I poured some water on it and the water just slides right down it. And check it out. When I open the cushion cover, my cushion actually isn't wet at all. This is such a neat feature, especially if you have little kids or pets and there might be accidental spills here and there. These cushion covers are going to protect my couch and make it look new, and it's super easy to maintain. If I need to wash it, all I need to do is open the buckles, remove it from the cushion, and then plop it into the washing machine, and that's it. Overall, I really love the convenience of having these couch cushion covers to protect my couch from any wear and tear that might happen every day. If you are in the market for a cushion cover to protect your couch and also to make it look new and fresh, you'll definitely want to take a look at this.